This tutorial is on campaign rules. On the left-hand menu, we're going to navigate to campaign rules. And this menu item is to easily switch a contact from one campaign to another if you set a rule. For instance, if you have a form on your website that is tied to a event registration campaign, and you have a prospect that is in your prospecting campaign, yet they go to your website, they follow an ad, they follow a funnel, and they get to your website and they fill out that form to then trigger that campaign, which would be event registration, for example, we would want to automatically remove them from the prospecting campaign because they are no longer prospecting. You have got them to register the event. So you would come in here and simply create a campaign rule. Name the rule so you know what this rule is doing. You will select the new campaign, meaning when the contact has entered this campaign. So like I said, it could be event registration, whatever the campaign is named, and then select the campaign to exit. So once they've entered this new campaign, you want to remove them from the previous campaign, however that may look. Again, an example would be a lead or a prospect that has now filled out a form on your website. They have gone through a sales funnel, a marketing funnel, and they have now answered one of your call to actions. You no longer want them to get your emails from your prospecting campaign because they have taken a step towards completing a transaction. So you want to remove them from that campaign, and you can save that. And then all of your campaign rules will be here. You can have as many campaign rules as you want. And this does help so that you don't have to constantly go into your contact database and manually remove contacts from a campaign once they've entered a new campaign and they're at a new stage in the buying process.